Do you have a good imagination?
I think so.
Good. Here's what we're going to try and do. I'm going to try and tap into your imagination. I'm going to try and make a coin appear. Not just any coin, but a silver American dollar.
Oh, lovely.
The largest coin in circulation today. Now, it involves taking a piece of nothing. Now, you can't see that nothing. There's nothing to see unless you use your imagination. You see, if I take that piece of nothing and rub, I can actually, I can turn it into a coin. Now, that's a silver dollar, right? That's a big coin. I want to see there's nothing else in my hand because I'm going to try and do this again. If I take another piece of nothing, you can't see it there, there's nothing to see. But if I go up and down like this fast enough, I can create the illusion that the second coin appears right there. Tips of the fingers. Now that's one, that's two. All good things come in threes. I'm going to do this one more time. Watch. 1, 2. Can you see that one there?
I can't.
Maybe if I go up and down a little bit, now you can see it, right?
Great.
So now I've got the 3 coins, now I can do the trick. And there's a rule in magic, never tell the audience what you're going to do. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the 3 coins jump from the tips of the fingers over here to the tips of the fingers over here. They're going to jump from over here over to here. You're going to see them vanish from here. You're going to see them appear over here, and at no point will they leave your point of view. So watch. Do you see the 3 coins?
Yeah.
Now if I do this, do you know what that's called? It's called turning your hand over.
Right, okay.
If you do it fast enough, you can create the illusion that the first coin jumps. Your eyes just literally popped out your head right there. That's cool, that's cool. We'll do it again. How many over here?
2.
2. How many over here?
1.
If I go up and down fast enough, it distorts reality. If I go up and down fast enough, you can really believe.
Incredible.
Last one. Slow motion. From here to here. Are you ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. That's slow motion. It's not very impressive, to be honest. Slow motion. Full speed looks like this. It's more impressive.
Wow.
You combine the motions, you get the last one up in the air. Hang on. There it is. That's 1, 2, 3. Now here's the thing. I've made them appear, haven't I?
Yeah.
I've made them appear. I've made them jump from one place to another. I'm going to try and finish off by making these coins disappear. Do you see the 3 coins?
I see the 3 coins.
Now, if I take 2 of them and put 2 of them on the table, you know to focus on this one right here.
Yeah.
If I snap my fingers, the first one goes.
Oh my god, it can't be up your sleeves or anything.
I know, let's do it again. 2 coins left, right? Do you see the 2 coins?
Yes.
This time I'm going to put my hand in my pocket, so I'll do it one-handed. Watch the 2 coins. All you have to do is say go.
Go.
Any questions? Are you following? Are you making any sense at all?
I mean, I'm just shocked where it's gone.
Last one's the hardest one, and the reason is if I take it and put it over there, it jumps over there. If I take it and put it over there, it jumps down there. If I take it and touch it to this elbow, it comes out this elbow. If I hang it over there, it goes right there behind your elbow.
Whoa.
If I take it and put it on the table, it looks like it's invisible. It's not, it's still there. You can't see it until I blow. It comes back again. Following this? Can you blow on the coin? Watch the coin. Say go.
Go.
Did you see it go? It's back on the table, Cap. I know.
That's ridiculous. You can bring money out of nowhere.
Well, I'm going to finish off with one last thing, if that's okay.
Absolutely.
This is your last trick. And this is very similar to the other one, but we're going to do it step by step in slow motion. So if you remember, it starts by making a coin appear. So nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Watch the coin appear.
Wow.
Now, I've already talked to you about how I can make that coin vanish and go behind your ear. We've talked about that, right? I've talked about how I can take the coin, make it disappear, and go underneath your elbow. We've talked about that. But I said that we needed 2 coins. So this is coin number 1. Coin number 2 is right there. So now, we're just going to use 2 coins. It'll be easier to follow with 2. Watch the 2 coins. Do not blink for a second. You see them right there, yes?
Yeah.
Watch. I'm going to go really slowly. Nothing else in my hands. Nothing up my sleeves. Just 2 coins. Now, the 2 coins go over here like this, right? I make this hand into a fist. Watch these 2 coins. When I close my hand around them, touch my thumbs together, one of the coins jumps into this hand.
Ridiculous.
I'll tell you how that works. It's very simple. The 2 coins start in this hand, really they do. Nothing in this hand. Now when you're not looking, I reach in and take one of the coins out and put it over here. That's slow motion, you don't see it go. Full speed, looks like that.
Jesus.
Yes, I go by the name of Craig. Now, again, nothing in my hands, right? Just the 2 coins, just 2 coins. And the idea is that the coin jumps over to there. Now, here's the thing. When I do this, there's a rule in magic, never repeat the trick. I'll do it again. You see one here, you see one here. The 2 coins start over here, you reach over here and it jumps into this hand. It's not like there's anything hidden between my fingers. It's not like there's anything hidden up my sleeves. It's not like I've got more than 2 coins, but the 2 coins can't occupy the same space. So when I put them in the same hand, it jumps over there, which makes logical sense to me, Kat.
I guess,
what doesn't make logical sense is how there's a 3rd one right there. That one just is baffling, frankly.
Where has it been the whole time?
But here's the thing, look. I'm going to finish off by making the coins jump over here, but in slow motion.
Okay.
I'll keep my hand closed. Do you see the 3 coins?
I see the 3 coins.
I'm going to make my hand in a fist around those 3 coins, right? They're going to jump. I told you what's going to happen. They're going to go up the sleeve, across the chest, down in the sleeve, into this hand. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Say go.
Go.
That's the first one. If there's 1 over here, how many over here?
2.
No, there's 2 over here, Kat. You need to follow. There's 1 over there. Look, that one there is number 1. This one here is number 2. How many over here?
1.
No, all 3 are over there, Kat. There's nothing. There's nothing at all. Look, big finish. I'll make them disappear. Watch carefully. Don't blink.
Okay.
Don't watch these 2. Don't watch that. Watch this one.
Okay.
Because you know what's going to happen if you watch these 2? You'll miss that one vanish. I mean, you don't want to do that, right? So look, you know where to watch. Don't watch that one. Watch this one. Where are you going to watch?
That one.
Too late. You missed it. The last one is the hardest one. Hold your hand out for me. If I just take that last coin and I do that, I can break it into a little piece of nothing. That's for you. Thank you so much for helping. Kat, you were amazing.
Thank you so much. Incredible. Incredible.
Thank you.
Where are the coins?